In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can reset your password in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, set your focus on your top right, on your profile, and from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Here is where you can change your password. So, simply enter the new password that you want to use. For example, and then after that, simply click on Save. Now, to continue this, you're going to be redirected to your Gmail account. This is where you're going to verify whether it is you who changed your password. And once you see this, it means you've successfully updated your password. And that's it. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.